Hey, this is the first ever response video I'm making, and I actually think it's funny. Now, hear me out on this. A couple of days ago, I posted some photos, and people taking the mickey because I have really a lot of luggage on the back of my bike. It's because I'm camping. Well, not at the moment because I do my washing, and once in a while I stay in a hostel. I'm 5 months on the road, and I really enjoy camping. I could make it easy for myself. There's plenty of channels around there, brag about ADV rider. Just go to the... He's boasting about how little luggage he's had. Yes, he drives from one hotel or hostel to the other. So he has someone to cook for him, someone who cleans after him, someone who gives him his breakfast, someone who gives him his dinner, someone who gives him his lunch. And you brag about you are ADV rider exploring the world? Nah. And all the others who are out there, I remember I following so many channels for many years, and they all started up camping, and then they made more money, and then suddenly camping is not good enough. So for me personally, I don't care what other people do. I will carry everything with me, and even if it's a kitchen sink, what I don't have. But, I enjoy it. I'm a purist. I've always been like that. And yes, it is hard work to travel with all that luggage, but that's my choice. And if people take the piss out of it, so be it. Just try it. Try it once, go on a long trip, carry everything you need, and be the man you always pretend to be. And then we can talk about it. See you around, guys. Bye.